Isang mathusay na araw sa ating lahat. Ako si Teacher J and welcome back sa Mathusay General Math Tutorial. Sa lesson na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang pagkakaiba ng rational functions, rational equations, at rational inequalities. Let's start! Alam natin na pag sinabing rational, ito ay ratio ng dalawang numbers A and B, na kung saan ang B must not be equal to 0. Ang rational expression naman ay expression na pwedeng isulat as a ratio of two polynomials. So, ibig sabihin, may polynomials tayo sa numerator, meron din tayong polynomial sa denominator. Halimbawa nito ay ang 2 over x. X plus 1 over x squared minus 9 at x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Dahil klaro na sa atin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng rational expression, pag-uusapan na natin ang pagkakaiba ng rational function sa rational equation sa rational inequalities. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng rational functions sa rational equations at rational inequalities? So, ano ba ang rational equation? Ang rational equation ay equation involving rational expressions. Ibig sabihin, ang rational equation ay nagpapakita ng equality ng dalawa o higit pang mga rational expressions. Halimbawa, 2 over x minus 3 over 2x equals 1/5. So, ito ay halimbawa ng rational equation. Ang rational inequality naman ay an inequality involving rational expression. Halimbawa, 5 over x minus 3 less than or equal to 2 over x. So, tandaan natin, may apat na inequality symbol tayong pinag-uusapan dito. So, pwedeng less than, greater than, pwedeng less than or equal to, or pwede ding greater than or equal to. Ang panghuli naman ay ang rational function. Napag-usapan na natin to sa unang aralin, pero ano ba ang rational function? Ang rational function is a function of the form f of x equals p of x all over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions, and q must not be equal to 0. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ang variable x or yung domain ay related sa variable y. So, ibig sabihin may relationship ang x sa y. Halimbawa nitong rational function ay f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 3 all over x plus 1. Tandaan ang pagkakaiba ng rational functions, equations, at inequalities. Pag rational equation ang pinag-uusapan, tinutukoy nito ang equality ng dalawa o higit pang rational expression. So, meron kayong mapapansin agad na equal sign. Pag rational inequalities naman ang ating pinag-uusapan natin ang apat na inequalities. Pwedeng greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to ng mga rational expressions. At ang panghuli, ang rational functions ay nagpapakita ng relationship ng set of variable x o domain sa set of variable y o range. Ultimately, dapat nating tandaan na ang numerator at denominator ng ating rational expressions ay dapat polynomial expression. Klaro. Let's take these examples. Determine whether the given is a rational function a rational equation, a rational inequality, or none of these? Number 1, 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1 equals 8. Ang given na ito ay halimbawa ng rational equation. Obviously, dahil may equality sign or may equal sign. Pero bakit ang 8 ay di rational expression? Note that 8 can be expressed as ratio of two numbers, gaya ng 8 over 1. So, fraction yun. So, that's still 8. 16 over 2 is still 8. So, that's why this is a rational equation. Example number 2. X greater than the square root of x plus 2. Ang example na ito ay hindi rational function, hindi rin siya rational equation, at hindi rin siya rational inequality. Dahil ang square root of x plus 2 ay hindi rational expression. Right? Kasi pag i-rewrite natin, pwede nating isulat as the quantity of x plus 2 raised to 1/2. So, bawal ang fractional exponent, right? So, hindi siya rational equation, inequalities, or functions. Example number 3. f of x is equal to 6 minus x plus 3 all over x squared minus 5. Obviously, this is a rational function kasi nagpapakita ito ng relationship ng x sa variable na y. Example number 4. 2x greater than or equal to 7 over x plus 4. So, obvious na obvious, ito ay isang rational inequality. Dahil meron tayong inequality sign na greater than or equal to. At ang 2x ay pwede ring i-express as the ratio ng 2x and 1. So, 2x over 1 is still 2x, right? So, kaya rational inequality. At ang panghuling example ay x over 2 equals 4 over x plus 9x squared ay isang rational equation. Kung klaro na sa inyo ang pagkakaiba ng rational equation sa rational inequalities at rational function, subukan ang mga exercises na ito at huwag kalimutang i-type ang inyong answers sa comment section. Kung nakatulong ang Mathusay math tutorial na mas maunawaan ninyo ang pagkakaiba ng rational function, rational equation at rational inequalities, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Remember, ang sikreto para maging mathusay, matuto at mag-ensayo. Abangan ang susunod na episode at matutong mag-solve ng rational equations. Bye!